4. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is derived from heat stored beneath the Earth's surface in rocks and fluids. Geothermal power plants use steam or hot water extracted from geothermal reservoirs to drive turbines and generate electricity. Geothermal energy is reliable, constant, and environmentally friendly, with minimal greenhouse gas emissions and environmental footprint compared to fossil fuels. Geothermal power plants can be built in areas with high geothermal heat flow, such as volcanic regions and tectonic plate boundaries.